What's up, guys? Bluminati Ninja here, coming at you today. We're going to pick a winner. So I've already copied the link for this video. We're going to head over to the YouTube comment picker. Maybe. I've pasted the link. Filter duplicate users. Doing my math. Let's see how many comments we get. It's thinking, it's thinking, it's thinking. 29. All right. We got 29 people. So, let's see who the winner is. Holy cow. There we go. Brother Rich over at True Budget EDC and Prepping says congrats on 2. I'm sure he meant 200. But hey, Rich, congrats, man. Very happy to see that you got the win, brother. Got 48 hours. Hit me up at bluminati.ninja98@gmail.com. Although I've already got your address, so just letting you know. You're the winner, brother. All right, so congratulations, Rich, on your win. You get a whole bunch of swag here. We got a M-Bomb Jerky sticker where you can go to order some. It's delicious stuff. If you haven't tried it, go for it. Got some Civivi stickers. Got a sick hollow Blue Creek knife sticker. Got another Blue Creek knife sticker, very cool. Of course, some Bluminati Ninja stickers. Got some My Bad Adventure stickers. If you haven't checked him out, definitely check him out. Got a Alicord Paracord donation to the giveaway, a small monkey fist, and some zipper pull doodads. We've got a Bees Gnome keychain. We've got Big Red EDC, also on YouTube. Check his channel out. You're getting a Make Peace with Police sticker. Get a Rosecraft koozie. Little card for the EDC Roundtable where you can get all kinds of stuff. This one's from Forrest Hank. You got Lancelot Leather who does this awesome work. Of course, you're getting a Forrest Hank. And of course, the pièce de résistance. Oh, wait, I forgot. A little zipper pull made by my wife. And pièce de résistance, the Tempest Knives pinion in blue G10. Unsullied by me, except for right now. I hope you enjoy, brother. Congrats again. And with that, thanks everybody for joining in on this giveaway, and here's to many more. Much love to the knife community and everybody that's in here. And with that, Bluminati Ninja signing off. Peace. We interrupt your regularly scheduled video. Bluminati is now an ambassador for Blue Creek Knives. Use Bluminati Ninja at checkout.